morning, y'all, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be making the kids Easter baskets, and I'm gonna be making them in one color. So basically, whatever color their basket is, that's what color all their stuff is gonna be inside the basket. So that's what I'm doing. So if you watch this video, you will see when I went not grocery shopping. You will see when I went shopping for Easter shopping. So you will see when I bought everything for their baskets and all of that. So go check that video out if you haven't already. So yeah, Easter is like 3 days away. So I want to go ahead and make the kids Easter baskets because I like giving them their stuff a little early, like a little before Easter. So that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I got this stuff hid in a little secret spot. So let me go grab it. Yeah, if y'all be good, y'all gonna be good? Yeah! Okay. Mom! What? Beautiful! Huh? That's beautiful! What's beautiful? The heavy. Huh? No, don't go in there. Don't go in there. You can't be in there. Y'all better listen or you're not gonna get it. Hello. I love that song, guys. Let me see. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Alright. Alright, I'm about to go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's get started. I already got the little Easter grass in there. So I already got that. Alright, so first we're going to start with these jump ropes because they are the biggest. I think these are the biggest items. So this is for Brooklyn and Carmen, for the girls. And I'm glad that they have them in these colors. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, when I went to Dollar Tree, it's like these three colors. It's like they had stuff in the most colors. So, how am I gonna do this? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna add that in. I got them all some little bunny ears. I kind of want to try one of them. Try the yellow one. All right, so I'm gonna add these kind of behind. It looked like Cairo got listed. All right, so next we got these little chocolate bars. All right, so let's add those in. I had so much fun when I went shopping picking this stuff out. Next, I got them some cups. And I got Carmen. I found Carmen in Brooklyn these cups. It was like a little cupcake. It was like a cupcake. Yeah, so it's like a little cupcake. So we got a pink and a yellow. It was kind of like a blue one, but I felt like it wasn't really for a boy. So I just got him this cup because it's blue and it's a cute little cup. Got them all a little cup. Alright, so next we got some loofahs. And y'all, I don't know if these are just for girls. Are these just for girls? I don't know. But I got a black one I'm going to put in Cairo basket. Even though his basket is blue. But These came in like a 2-pack. So I was like, I can give this one to Brooklyn. He gonna get the black one. No, you're supposed to be in there. Close my door. Okay. Thank you. Alright, so next I got them these 3 little candy toys or whatever you call it. So the yellow one is already open. The kids ate the candy the same day I bought it. So if you watch this video, you'll see they had opened this, but it's still going in the basket though. Kids hate when you're doing something. Next, look like Carmen got the most of it, and this was not on purpose. So we're gonna put this in Carmen's basket. She likes stuff like this. So next we got these little blue cars to put in Kyra's basket. I thought it was perfect to put in there. Next I got them some bubbles. Ooh. Next I got them some bubbles, and I had to get 2-pack because they got Brooklyn and Carmen's color in here, and they got his color in here, so I had to end up getting 2 of them. So I can have all their colors. We got blue, yellow, and pink. So next I got some lip balm and some lip gloss for the girls. Yellow and pink. So oh my goodness. Put this stuff back in. Alright, and next we got some fingernail polish. I got yellow and pink. What y'all think? They so cute. They so cute. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait to give them their baskets, and I'll probably do that in another video, so y'all just stay tuned for that. I think I'm gonna wait and y'all just stay tuned to another video. So with that being said, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all of that. So thank y'all for watching. We will see y'all in the next vlog. Peace. Bye.